If your Pelonis heater won't turn on, don't panic. Most power issues come down to a few simple causes. Start with the basics. Make sure the heater is firmly plugged into a working outlet. Try plugging another device into the same outlet to confirm it has power. Next, inspect the power cord carefully. Look for frayed wires, burn marks, or loose connections. If you see any damage, stop using the heater immediately for safety reasons. Now, check your thermostat setting. If it's set lower than the current room temperature, the heater won't activate. Turn it up a few degrees and listen for the unit to kick on. If it still doesn't respond, a safety feature may have triggered. Most Pelonis heaters include overheat protection and a tip-over switch. If the unit overheated or was knocked slightly off balance, it may shut itself down automatically. Try performing a full reset. Turn the heater off, unplug it from the wall, and leave it disconnected for about 10 minutes. This allows internal components to reset. Plug it back in, and power it on again. In many cases, this simple step restores normal operation. To prevent future problems, keep air vents clean and free of dust. Maintain at least 3 feet of clearance from flammable objects, and never use extension cords unless rated for high wattage appliances. If you notice a hot plug, burning smell, or repeated shutdowns, discontinue use and contact a qualified technician. Never attempt to bypass built-in safety features.